There you go. So other things that you can do on sales front, like I said, is even checking in with your customers. Think about emails that you're sending or handwritten notes, checking in, letting them know about video messages, or again, sharing those articles or quotes or things that you know coming out on the other side of your product or service that you know people are asking about. And then also asking, what can you do? This clicker goes fast.
Yeah, it's got a hair trigger on it.
And definitely making those introductions and referrals. Susan, I even heard you say, I'm just ready to get out and talk to people again. Being that vehicle of connection, whether that's online or not, and building those customer relationships, reaching out, again, meeting where they are, is just building that bond stronger to you with customer loyalty. The other one is keep a long-term perspective when we talk about planting those seeds and working with your customer relationships as well. We know everyone coming out on the other side is, okay, we need to play catch up, or we need to make sure our customers, we need the revenue. But it's not reaching out to your customers to say buy, 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 because we know that they might not be ready to buy yet. So just making sure that you're building a stronger relationship with them, thinking long-term of how you can continue to make that connection. Say the right messaging that gets them to understand, to be relatable.